Exercise 9.3, question number 2, subdivision 10. Integrate pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8, 1 by 1 plus root of tan x dx. So let us write this as I. So I is equal to integral pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 1 by 1 plus root of tan x dx. We are going to use the property. The property is a to b f of x dx, integral property. Properties of integration. One property is a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That is, x is replaced by a plus b minus x. I'm going to use that property here. So a is the lower limit, pi by 8. B is the upper limit. So that is 3 pi by 8. So let us find a plus b minus x. So what is a plus b? Pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8 minus x. That is equal to pi plus 3 pi, 4 pi by 8 minus x. That is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So a plus b minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So this is I is equal to integral pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 dx by 1 plus root of tan x. You can write tan x as sin x by cos x, isn't it? So this is equal to integral pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 dx by, this is, take the LCM, you get root of cos x. See, this is actually 1 plus root sin x by root cos x. So the LCM will be root cos x. So it will be root cos x multiply. So root cos x plus root sin x. So this is root cos x. This root cos x you can take it to the numerator. This is 1 by, isn't it? So this is 1 by. So this root cos x goes up. So root cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin x. So this is I. I is equal to root cos x dx by root cos x plus root sin x. Now let us use the property I pi by 8. Let us write this as equation 1. Pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 dx by 1 plus root tan x is equal to integral. I am using this property now. X is replaced by a plus b minus x. So I am going to replace x by, this x I am going to replace by a plus b minus x. You know that a plus b minus x, we found a plus b minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So I am going to replace this by a to b, that is pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 dx by 1 plus root of tan. This x is replaced by pi by 2 minus x. This is a property we are using. Both are equal to the same integral I. Okay. A to b f of x dx is also equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So I am going to write this also as I. So I is equal to, we are replacing x by a plus b minus x. So a plus b minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. Okay. See, a plus b minus x is pi by 2 minus x. Now what is tan pi by 2 minus x? Tan pi by 2 minus x is equal to cot x. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this integral will now become pi by 8, 3 pi by 8 dx by 1 plus root of cot x. So I just replaced x by a plus b minus x. So this cot x is similar to tan x. I can write 1 by 1 plus cot x. I can write it as cos x by sin x. So take the LCM. So you will get root sin x as the LCM. So 1 by root sin x plus root cos x by root sin x. So this root sin x goes up to the numerator. So this will become integral root sin x dx by root sin x plus root cos x. The limit is from pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8. So this is equation 2. Now add these two, I and I. If you add, you can easily integrate because this denominator is the same. So the numerator, when you add, it will get cancelled. So add these two integrals, I plus I. So just add this 1 and 2. So left hand side I and I plus I is 2I. I am adding the left hand side. Now add the right hand side. Right hand side is integral pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8. Then the denominator is same, root sin x plus root cos x. Here root cos x plus root sin x, both are same. So I can write it as root sin x plus root cos x, and add the numerators, root cos x plus root sin x plus root sin x, then dx. Okay. So we have just added I plus I 2I. Here the same denominator. So root, we are just adding the numerator. So root cos x plus root sin x. So these two terms are same. Root cos x plus root sin x or root sin x plus root cos x, both are same. So we can just cancel these two. So we get now 2I is equal to pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 dx. Okay, because this is cancelled. So integral of dx is equal to x. Integration of dx is x. Pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8. So it is equal to 2I is equal to, you use the upper limit first. So this is 3 pi by 8 upper limit minus lower limit. So 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 8. So it is equal to pi by 4. So 2I is pi by 4. So I is equal to pi by 8. So the integration I, we have defined, we have named this as I. So I is equal to pi by 8. That means what is your I? Integral pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8 dx by 1 plus root tan x. The value is equal to pi by 8. Okay.